I'm Captain John Spann with the Plantation Adventure Center, and we are here today swimming with manatees. So this is the world's largest natural congregation of manatees in the wintertime. So we have over 700 plus manatees that will come into this bay alone. Citrus County, which is made up of several bays and rivers like this, has over 1,000 of the Florida manatees come here in the winter months. So it's a really unique place, and is one of those few places that it is where you can get in the water with these animals. Well, we're up here on the Nature Coast, so that's the best part, as it's truly like old Florida, as you can see behind me. You know, we don't have the beaches, so we still have the mangrove forest and the swamp marshes. And to be able to come up here and get in the water, it's just an amazing experience. It really goes back to that curiosity. There's not many animals that are in the wild, especially as big as manatees, because the average manatee is 800 to 1,200 pounds, that will literally come up nose to nose with you, or grab onto you, or push onto you. Just literally natural behavior, hanging out with people.
Oh, I love it. I love being with these big, gentle giants. They're just so cute. You just sit there and you stay still and they just come up to you, and it's just like a big elephant in the water, seriously. And they're just so big, you just don't even understand how big they are until you're up next to them. They're huge. It's a peacefulness, actually, because they're so calm. They're really calm. They're never aggressive towards you at all. So it makes yourself kind of calm just being in the water with them.
Oh, well, they are so awesome. I mean, there's just nothing like being in the water with something that you just don't see every day. I think it's really actually important, contrary to what many people will think, to come see them up close so that you can really see how they are, how gentle they are, how beautiful. And really it kind of helps you understand why they need protecting. Because if you never get up close to it, you know, it's just some esoteric idea. But when you can look it in the eye, there's just something about having it look back at you and you think, okay, we have to do something to help these guys.
Hi, my name is Rosemary White, and today I am welcoming you to the plantation on Crystal River here in Citrus County. We are going to eat some fresh caught Florida grouper and then also shrimp and scallops. One of the best things about plantation on Crystal River and its food is that we utilize locally caught seafood and fresh Florida beef. We also have some famous drinks here at the plantation on Crystal River. Two of the more well-known, the manatini and the plantation punch, definitely will get you in a good mood.